All right, guys, we got something different, special, and very, very old. A 1952 Chevy Styline, S-T-Y line, L-I-N-E. It's got a 350 in it. And what we got done on it, as you guys can see, true duals from the downpipes, there and there, all the way down, 2.5. Into, he brought his own glass packs that were on the car before. We reused them there and there. So probably like cherry bombs there and there. And then we dumped them for him there and there because he's going to lower it. And he might put airbags on it or he might just lower it. He doesn't know yet. So that's why he might bring it back and we'll run tailpipes after he drops it. So let us know what you guys think of it. I think it looks cool. It's a phenomenal. It's dumped, hidden. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's not bad. Better. It's back more. Yeah, it's more manageable now. Yeah, I like it. Here's sound decibels. 108. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Chevy Styline. I know you guys haven't seen one of those before. I like it. And it's got push start too. Got a nice idle to it. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's a really nice car, man. There's the push start there. B&M shifter. It's just cool. Just a cool little car, as you guys can see. I enjoy stuff like that. Still a work in progress, but he'll bound to get it done. There it is. Oh, right there. Boom, boom. Still a little bit of engine work needed, but it's good. '52 Styline Chevy. Beast mode in a 52!